Here's a question your security team should be asking right now. How many AI agents are operating inside your network? I don't mean chatbots or co-pilot sessions you approved. I mean autonomous agents and the tools that connect to your data. They call your APIs, they execute code, and make decisions without a human in the loop. Most CISOs we talk to don't actually know the answer. And it's not because they're not paying attention, but because the tools they have weren't built for this. This year, the Cloud Security Alliance surveyed IT and security leaders and found that 74% of organizations are giving AI agents more access than they need. They also found that those organizations experience nearly 5 times more security incidents than those who don't. 5 times. This isn't a theoretical or a hypothetical risk. We saw what happened at Replit last July. An AI coding agent deleted a live production database during an active code freeze. It ignored explicit stop instructions 11 times. It fabricated thousands of fake records and then lied to the user about whether the data could be recovered. There wasn't an external hacker. There was no sophisticated exploit or zero-day vulnerability. All it took was an agent with more access than its job required. Zero Trust was built on one principle: never trust, always verify, and it's worked for human users for years. But AI agents aren't human users. Agents don't have a sense for liability, and they lack judgment about unintended consequences. Agents operate at machine speed, and unfortunately, for as fast as they are, agents can be hijacked through prompt injection, where malicious content in a document or a web page redirects the agent to do something it was never supposed to do. Anthropic's own published research found that a single prompt injection attempt against a GUI-based agent succeeds nearly 18% of the time. That's great if the agent only tries once, but after 200 attempts, that number climbs to almost 79%. The model providers themselves have said that they cannot solve this at the model layer alone. The only answer is architectural controls, limiting what an agent can reach in the first place. And that's exactly what Ensage was built for. Ensage gives security teams 3 things. First, visibility. We discover every AI agent operating in your environment, both the ones you approved and the ones you didn't know about. Second, control. We organize agents into project-defined enclaves. So an agent assigned to one workload, literally, it can't even reach the data, tools, or agents of a different project. Ensage AI ensures that the principle of least privilege is enforced at the network layer, not just on paper. Third, an audit trail. Ensage AI logs every session, every API call, and every action to ensure that agent activity is logged and inspectable. Ensage AI deploys on top of the infrastructure you already have, using Xentera's COIP platform without redesign. There's no rip and replace to complicate the rollout. The standard bodies have caught up to this problem. NIST, CSA, CISA, they've all published dedicated AI agent governance guidance in the first half of 2026. So we are now living in a world where the risk is documented and in a world that necessary security tools now exist. If you want to see how Ensage works in an environment like yours, visit Xentera.net/Ensage-AI.